Hey, everybody. Mark, Millstone, Self-Reliance Group. Hey, just a short video. Just wanted to use the video format to maybe get everyone's attention and give you an update of what we're going to do here this week. So we're doing the first 72 hours. Now that was between a 6 and 8 hour class when I taught it. We're trying to teach it in this format. Maybe not the best, but if you've seen it, we're trying to be interactive, trying to have more of a conversation, not reading PowerPoints or any of that kind of stuff. I've never liked those classes anyway. Well, as a result, and we only do Millstone on Sundays. This is going to take it'll be October before we finish the class. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to call an audible. Blake is gone right now on his annual community family fishing trip. So we're going to do an episode tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Let me just confirm everything I'm saying here. Wednesday, the 14th of August, 1700 Central Daylight Time. Central Daylight Time, as we kind of normally do. So we're going to do part 3 of the first 72 hours on Wednesday, and that's going to be the food, fire, water, shelter portion of the class. Our guest is Kevin Estella for that portion. So he's going to be joining us on Wednesday. Tomorrow, we're going to cover the food, fire, water, shelter of the first 72 hours. Then on Sunday, the 18th, yep, that is correct. Sunday, the 18th, we'll have Patrick back on. And that's when we're going to do the shoot, move, communicate, medicate section of the course. And that'll wrap it up. So Sunday, the 18th, we're going to wrap it up. But then, and start doing it on this video or any of the future videos. Then on Sunday, the 25th. Now, I don't know if Blake is going to be back for Sunday, the 18th, but he will be here for Sunday, the 25th of August. And so that'll be the final episode for the 72 hours. But what we're going to do on that episode on the 28th is based on the feedback from you guys. We're going to take 3 scenarios. So we're going to provide some documentation, you might be able to find this online as well, but we're just going to kind of go over some emergency planning documents, things of that nature. And then we're going to take 3 scenarios from some of the scenarios that you guys provide us. And we're just going to go down food, fire, water, shelter, shoot, move, communicate, medicate per scenario. So that'll be the culmination of the first 72 hours. And that'll be on the 28th. All right, just keeping this short. Wanted to get this information out there so as many of you can see this and hopefully join us tomorrow, Wednesday, the 14th of August. Our guest is Kevin Estella, and we're going to be talking about the food, fire, water, shelter aspect of the first 72 hours. If you don't know Kevin's got a pretty deep history background on the kind of bushcraft survival side, and I really wanted to get somebody on. So you're not just hearing, us, whatever kind of guys, but, I wanted to get somebody on who had that survival, bushcraft, search and rescue background so we can bring another person on to give you just a slightly different perspective to everything. So, all right, that's all I have. Yep, 3 minutes, 3.5. Let's wrap it up. So hopefully we'll see you guys tomorrow on Wednesday, 14 August, 1700 Central Daylight Time. If you got questions, reach out, shoot me an email, mark@millstone-srg.com. That's all over there. Leave comments. You know the deal. We'll see you guys tomorrow night. All right. Thanks, everybody. Be good.